Google Cloud journey from starting, means from beginning. And if you are new to this, you can start this also by step. And don't worry if you are new to this, I will be explaining all the things from zero level. Okay, so yeah, and by the end of the session, I'm sure you will feel confident about the Google Cloud and maybe even excited to start working on your Google Cloud projects. Okay. So yeah, but first, let me ask one thing, that how many of you have ever used Google Cloud or have you heard about it? Just you can raise your hand. Okay, so I can see that only two have heard about the Google Cloud, right? Uh, okay, no worries. So after this, you will confident about the Google Cloud journey. ओके एंड आई एम गेसिंग दैट कुछ लोगों को थोड़ा सा आइडिया होगा भी कि व्हाट इज गूगल क्लाउड एंड ऑल्सो कुछ लोगों को आइडिया नहीं होगा सो दैट्स completely ओके बिकॉज आई विल सॉल्व ऑल योर डाउट्स आफ्टर द मीट ओके एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो आस्क द क्वेश्चंस सो ओके so we can go ahead. So I have explained about myself already. So I am also the core team member of GDG Cloud Motiari. Okay, you can connect with me on LinkedIn to showcase your profile and connect with me on LinkedIn. Okay, so yeah, go ahead. So what we will learn about from this meet. So firstly, we'll discuss about the Google Cloud, that what is Google Cloud, and we will see that Google Cloud में क्या स्पेशल है जो बाकी क्लाउड प्लेटफॉर्म्स में नहीं कर पाते. Right, and of course, we will explore that how can you can start the Google Cloud journey, and why choose the Google Cloud, and we will discuss about the real life applications of Google Cloud, and lastly, we will discuss about some surprise that which is best, developer or innovator. Developer बनना best है या innovator बनना. Okay, so let's start our journey from here. So yeah, what is Google Cloud? Firstly, we have to talk about Google Cloud. So Google Cloud is a set of cloud computing services that is offering by Google, right? It is simple. Basically, imagine Google is not just about a search engine or Gmail or YouTube, but also the super powerful infrastructure that means it can handle these services on a global scale. Like many users can access it from anywhere. So Google Cloud basically is that infrastructure that keeps these services running smoothly. Because if we run any program or any infrastructure in our laptop, then sometimes you can feel like it is slow, right? So on YouTube or on Gmail, you can see that it is running means always smoothly. It will be not lagging anywhere, right? So think of it like the backstage hero of Google is Google Cloud. Google Cloud is the backstage hero of Google. Okay, and without it, I can say that we can't expect that this type of technology will be growing, right? So basically, Google Cloud is a suite of cloud computing services and it enables the storage, computation, and analytics over the internet. Okay, after this, what is the basics of cloud computing? So, see, cloud computing is like saving everything on a super secure, super powerful internet, right? We can access from anywhere, from any time, and it is basically on demand availability of computing resources over the internet. We can access this from anywhere, from any time, on demand availability. We can demand anywhere and anytime. Okay, so what is the types of cloud services? So basically, means common. If we talk about common, so it is basically three types: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. And there are many more, but I have not included. Okay, so after this, we'll be going to explore about the cloud services. So see, what is in the traditional on premises that means आज के टाइम पे अगर हम डेटा को संभाल के भी रखते हैं तो वो हम लोग के कंप्यूटर में या लैपटॉप में अच्छे से उतना ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल नहीं होता। सो एंड हमारे पास बहुत डाटा है तो उसको सँभालना भी है, उसको सुपर सिक्योर और रिलायबल भी होना चाहिए, राइट? सो दिस इज़ प्रोवाइडेड बाय गूगल क्लाउड। So, see, in the traditional, we have to do the data and configuration, that we have to maintain all the things, that application code we have to write, we have to scale, right? And runtime is also, we have to maintain OS, virtualization, and hardware. We all have to maintain all the things in the traditional on-premises. But in the infrastructure as a service, data and configuration, application code, scaling, runtime, and OS is the same by the traditional, but virtualization and hardware is totally provided by Google Cloud. Okay, in the containers, you can see that OS is also provided by Google Cloud. In the platform, you can see that runtime is also provided by Google Cloud. So if we talk about all the things, so we can understand this by the terms of housing, that on premises is what. So if you decide to build your house from scratch, like we are learning the Google Cloud from scratch, so we are doing everything you means ourselves, okay, and we will need to source the raw materials and tools, put everything together, and run to the store every time you need anything, right? Like this is similar to running an application on premises, so where you own everything from the hardware to your applications and scaling. Okay. And if you are talking about infrastructure as a service, so basically infrastructure as a service, if you are busy and you might consider hiring a contractor to do the work, like to means build the house. So you tell them that how you want to house to look and how many rooms you want, right? And they take the instructions and build your home. वो आपका पूरा घर बनाएंगे। Same infrastructure as a service ऐसा ही है, like infrastructure as a service works in a similar way for your applications, and like you rent the hardware to run your application on, बट सभी ओएस की, रन टाइम की, स्केलिंग की एंड डेटा की वो पूरी की जिम्मेवारी आपकी होती है, राइट? लाइक इसका एग्जांपल हो सकता है कंप्यूट इंजन। इफ यू विल बी यूजिंग कंप्यूट इंजन, देन यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट इज द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एज अ सर्विस। Also, if you are going to container as a service, so if we are buying a home, means if buying a home is just too much work due to maintenance, so it comes with, you can choose to rent instead. Okay, you are renting the house. So the basic utilities are included, but you bring your own furniture and make the space yours, right? So it is same like container as a service. With containers you can bring a containerized application. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the underlying OS, but still you have to control over the scaling, over the data, over the runtime. And we are talking about platform as a service. So if you don't want to worry about the furnishing your living space, so you can rent a furnished house. So basically, pass means platform as a service lets you bring your own code and deploy it, but leaves the server management and scaling up to the cloud provider. Like app engine हो गया इसका cloud run. So it is the part of platform as a service. Function as a service, if we are able to understand that if you just need a small dedicated place to work away from home, right? Office. So you can rent a desk in co-working workspace, like if we are working in an office. Similarly, function as a service allows you to build and deploy a small piece of code or a function that performs a specific task, not the full means not the full application, only a specific task. Okay, and okay, so now go to next, that Google Cloud Services. What is the Google Cloud Services? Basically, in the Google Cloud Services, we are talking about the compute, that Google Compute Engine and Google Kubernetes, and also Kubernetes engine we can use in the compute. If we are talking about storage, then it is cloud storage that we are using, and we are using daily. the cloud storage we are using daily in the form of Google Drive, right? We can upload anything on Google Cloud, Google Drive, and we can access anytime from anywhere. If we have login on means Google Drive, then you can access from anywhere and anytime. So cloud storage is the great of storing the massive amounts of data. It is secure, it is reliable also. Also, Firestore and Cloud Spanner you can use for the storage. Like Firestore is a NoSQL database, and Cloud Spanners the provide the scalable thing. It is also used to database, and you can also reach to networking. Like Cloud CDN helps you deliver your content quickly and efficiently. Also, VPCs like virtual private cloud, it gives you a secure and isolated network in Google Cloud to keep your workload safe. Okay. And after this, the big data and AI ML tool like BigQuery, TensorFlow, I guess you have heard. In the TensorFlow, means nowadays it is a very powerful machine learning framework, and it is used for building the AI models, and also Vertex AI. You can, I guess you have heard about Vertex AI. Vertex AI takes this step further, like letting you building all the application, deploying and scale all the machine learning models. Right. So it is also provided by Google Cloud. Okay. Also, if you are talking about the Google Cloud, so is there any benefit to learn the Google Cloud? Like आपको Google Cloud सीखना ही क्यों है? So, well, it is all about offering the reliable and scalable solutions for handling the various technological and business needs with ease. Right. So, if you are working in a startup or in a company, then maybe they can use the handling thing, or you can make also some scalable solutions by the help of Google Cloud. That's why you have to learn the Google Cloud. And also Google Cloud is not just about industry, or just not for an industry. It is widely used across various sectors, like whether you are in healthcare, whether you are in education, or retail or finance. Means Google Cloud has got you covered all the things. And also, Google Cloud is a trusted by businesses of all sizes, from startups to global giants like Salesforce, or many global giants. So they all rely on Google Cloud for their cloud computing needs if they need the Google Cloud. Okay. And so the question is, why choose Google Cloud? Like, means why choose the Google Cloud? So first thing, that put your data to work. Like Google Cloud makes it easier to store, to process, and to access your data in the smartest way that is possible. Right, because your data is not just stored; it is used means intelligently for the data insights and analytics and decisions. Also, yeah, it is helping modernize your infrastructure. Like Google helps to modernize your existing systems, making them more efficient and cost effective. So you will have AI ready infrastructure, which is ideal for business stepping into the future. Okay. You can also create a culture of innovation, like you can empower your team to think differently by the help of collaboration or networking. Also, it is means Google Cloud provide all the thing in built-in security. Like security is in Google Cloud's DNA, right? You can understand by this that security is the Google Cloud's DNA. Without DNA, Google Cloud is nothing, right? So without security, they can't provide anything. You get the same high-level security that Google uses to protect millions of users worldwide. Okay. So also, it is work more sustainable. Like Google Cloud helps the businesses reduce their carbon footprint by offering a range of features designed for sustainability. Okay. और सबसे जरूरी बात ये मीन्स सबसे I can say that Google Cloud is not just an platform. It is a powerhouse, and it is a platform designed to completely transform how any organizations handle their data, handle their infrastructure, and foster the innovation in their organization, right? And also, okay, so now we have to talk about the key stats, and I have copied these key stats from the official Google Cloud page. So लाइक ये गूगल क्लाउड के की स्टैट्स कुछ और इंटरेस्टिंग बना देते हैं गूगल क्लाउड को यूज करने के लिए सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज 900 प्लस पार्टनर्स एंड integrations आर involved in the Google Cloud. Like Google Cloud has built a huge ecosystem with over 900 partners and integrations in its data and its AI ecosystem, right? Uh, and because of this, it connects and works smoothly with a ton of tools and services, right? Because it is means we are working many things on Google, and also if we can say that 135 languages supported through the translation hub, like it has a global reach, right? Google Cloud supports 135 languages through its translation hub. Right, and also it is helping the businesses break down language barriers. Like if anyone wants to start the startup in Bengali, so they can start also in Bengali and reach a wider audience. Right. Also, it has a generative AI unicorns trust Google Cloud. So almost 90% of generative AI unicorns, basically those cool next gen AI startups you hear about. So it trusts the Google Cloud for their operations, and it speaks the volume over the platform's capability in the AI world, right? And also reCAPTCHA protects 6 million plus sites, right? Means it is talking about the security. So Google Cloud's reCAPTCHA secures over 6 million websites, making and it is making the secure businesses and users stay safe, right? Also, 1800 organizations recovery quickly post breach. So, like every year, 1800 organizations turn to Google Cloud to recover the quickly after data breaches. Okay. Uh, yeah. So now, so how to start your cloud journey? These all are the thing of Google Cloud. So now we have to talk about how to start your Google Cloud journey. So to begin your cloud journey, the first step is learning. Like if you are going to any job, then we have to learn about that job, na? So like same way, we have to learn about the Google Cloud. Like what is Google Cloud? How can we contribute to the Google Cloud? And so you don't have to start from the scratch. There are means there are many resources that can help you to start it. Like you can start it from quick labs. Like I guess if you are a student in this technology era, then you have heard about the quick labs. It provides all the Google Cloud thing, means it provide all the Google Cloud thing in hands-on experience, and also providing some badges also and some goodies also in uh, after completion of the labs, right? And also you can complete the exercises and you can learn about the Google Cloud, and it helps you to dive into Google Cloud. And also it is means Google is offering step by step guidance for real world scenarios that you can means if you are going to start the Google Cloud in any startup or in any company, then it will help you a lot. Also you can means it will develop your skill. So to keep growing your skills, the Google Cloud skills boost platform is awesome. Like it offers the structured learning paths and many type of exercises, many type of projects you can learn, and it help you to advance your skills in Google Cloud. Okay. And also the main thing is certification, that after learning the Google Cloud, you can also gain some confidence and you can work towards the Google Cloud certification to validate your expertise. Like, see, there are many type of road, means I have copied this roadmap from Google. I have downloaded this. So basically, you can start from the foundational level, like if you have learned about some means foundation level of thing, like begin with the cloud digital leader certification, and it gives you the basic understanding of Google Cloud services. And means even if you are starting, so it will be help a lot in the foundational level. And if you are confident that yeah, means I am feeling confident with the fundamentals, with the foundational level, then you can start and we can go ahead to the associate cloud engineer certification. That is the second level, that is associate, right? So you can do this certification like associate cloud engineer or Google Cloud certified. You will get the badge and certificate. Okay. After this means learning after the association thing, you will go to professional level. Like you can go to cloud architect. After this, you will go to cloud developer or cloud DevOps engineer. So cloud architect is basically managing the large scale cloud environments. Okay. And cloud developer is basically build and manage the applications on the Google Cloud platform. So like this, there are many type of certification, that is data engineer, cloud security engineer, collaboration engineer, machine learning engineer, cloud network engineer. So you can do these type of certification too. Okay, after this, there are many real life application. Means let's talk about how Google Cloud is applied in a real world situation. Like means, and you will see just how powerful this platform is. That it can be host a website. Google Cloud offers everything you need to host a website, like from Google Compute Engine for virtual machines to Google Cloud Storage for storing the website files. Like, and also it is scalable, it is secure and reliable for all kinds of website hosting needs. If we are hosting a website, right? Okay, so talking about the running a data analysis project using BigQuery, you can also do this by the help of Google Cloud. So BigQuery is a fully managed data warehouse, and it can analyze the TB of data in seconds only. Okay, so if you are dealing with a very big data or working on a very large project like data analysis project, so this can process all that information efficiently, without means without verifying or without any worrying about the storage or performance for the project. Okay. So talking about the creating a chatbot by the help of Dialogflow, you can build a chatbot also. Basically, Dialogflow is a part of Google Cloud. Okay, and it allows you to easily create the conversational events using the natural language understanding. Okay, yeah, and there are many things that you can means practically experience by the help of Google Cloud. Okay, so the last thing is developer. If you are a developer, then why not become an innovator, right? Means if we are talking about a developer thing, so why just settle for being a developer when you can be an innovator? So the world need problem solvers and innovators, right? And who better than you to join the ranks of Google Cloud innovators? Like there are many rank of Google Cloud innovators. So don't just write code, write some magic also. So you can go to this website and also become an innovator of Google Cloud. Okay. So yeah, if you have any question, then just let me know. It is time for your questions. If you have any question, then just let me know.
Okay, so you can unmute yourself or you can text in the group as well. Don't feel shy, group is yours. So feel free
Yes,
to add your question
uh,
here.
yeah, thank you, sir, and thank you all for joining today's session. I hope you now feel some confident to start your journey with the Google Cloud. Okay, and also make sure to follow the GDC Cloud Motihari to stay updated on future workshop events and many type of Google Cloud study. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much, sir, and everyone.
Awesome. Thank you very much for giving this beginner focus session and also good insights, right? From the beginner perspectives, cloud certifications, and yeah, great. Thanks. Thanks again. And I think good, everyone. So this is a great way here to connect with each other. I feel, yeah, that's good. Everyone sharing their LinkedIn profile and people go ahead and connect with each other. So yeah, maybe someone can also share our JDG Cloud group. I mean LinkedIn page here, so you can also connect there. Awesome. So now let me share my screen and time to have a short fun. And at same time, let me choose my tab. At same time, share your ideas, what really you need out from our group, what we can add value, and yeah, I hope you can see my screen. Yeah, I can see. Yes, if you can see, please text in the group, in the chat. Yes, perfect. So yeah, let's start joining. Please scan this QR code, or directly you can go to I'm sorry, menti.com, menti.com, and use this code 38592147. I see people have started joining. Awesome, thank you. And one more thing, we are not asking to enter a name here, just your thoughts. So please join first. Okay, so I know there is a dependency from devices. So if you join from mobile, now you can switch to your laptop, or maybe if you join from laptop, you can switch to mobile. So sometimes, if even if you are on laptop, you can open two browser. One is for event, one is for this quiz. Perfect. Now, time to see the result. Okay, let's see. Wow, popular in-person event like hackathon or a very energetic topic of the today's time is like AI and its age and scope. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Hands-on experience over cloud. Okay. Then we should create one basic page or anything technical so that we'll get used to cloud. Great, great. I think I can connect this with our recent dev fest in the Motihari, where we have given some demo of image processing with AI, some of the prompt stuffs there, some musical app also. So yeah, time to bring all these in the virtual meetup as well. Thank you for sharing. Webinar of meetups, good, good. 2 points. Workshop to learn to cloud skills, awesome. Database dashboard real time. Okay, discussion and meetups on how to approach any problem. Great. Some demos over the Google Cloud. Code review, a peer review process. Perfect. इससे क्या होगा, अब तक जो आप लोगों ने वोट दिया था ना, तो यू कैन सी 3 पेज में हमने कैसे समराइज किया। पहले सबके थॉट्स को लिया, उस थॉट्स में टॉप 3 निकाला, अब उस टॉप 3 में रैंकिंग निकाल रहे हैं आपके बिहाफ पे। ओके, नाउ ऑसम, थैंक यू। आइडिया 1 4.1, आइडिया 2 3.9, आइडिया 3 3.9। ओके, गुड, मीन्स अभी भी आइडिया 1 हिट पे है। ऑसम, perfect. What's next? Summary will be sent out and we'll discuss internally and we'll come forward with the next event or some topic from those vote and your suggestions. Okay, so once again, thank you everyone.